Hello, all. Hope you are enjoying your weekend. In a few of our earlier sessions, we have discussed about the ways of influence. But we also need to understand how are we getting influenced by others? What kind of influence are they putting on us? Whether it is a positive influence or a negative influence. Positive influence, as you know, is always good. They always give a right kind of feedback. They always give us timely inputs. They also show us the right direction. They give us hard facts whether we like it or not. But on the other hand, we also have a negative influencing people where they always wanted to put you down. They always wanted to find fault with you. They always show you in a poor light. And there are so many other negative kind of feelings which they kind of put onto you. So it is important that we should ask ourselves what kind of a people are we are surrounded with, and are they really helping us in achieving our goals, or are they really adding value to us in whatever form it is. So the first question we should ask is whom I am around with, whether it is a kind of a good associating good people where I would like to talk to them, or they would like to have a good kind of a communication, good conversation, good skill sets being exchanged. The second question is what are they, how are they directing us, or how we are getting directed with their influence. Are we heading into a positive direction, whether they are trying to make us reach our goals, or they are kind of uh, putting distractions in our way, whether they are giving us a proper feedback time to time. And the third question is whether is it okay to continue with those kind of people being having around us. I don't think so. We should not continue with such people where they are kind of having a negative, putting negative energies on us, and we not focusing on our lives and getting distracted from whatever we want to achieve. So we should be knowing in our life what kind of people we should be having. It is important that we choose right kind of people, spend 80% of the time with like-minded and correct people, and 20% of the time with the other people. But as we go along, we should be able to detach ourselves with that 20% of the people as well, and try to push that 20% towards the 80%, so that we are on the right track and we are able to achieve goals. We add more skills to ourselves and kind of add value to others as well. So please check it out. Make a list of people whom you are around with, and see time to time whether you are able to get influenced, getting influenced positively or negatively. It is upon us. It should not be too late at some point of time when everything kind of goes wrong, and then we later come up saying that, oh, I have lost time, and then I have not taken the correct decision at the right time. So it is not too late any time to keep checking on ourselves whether we are having a positive direction and having positive influencing people with us. If you like this video, please share a like and suggest good topics which I can bring it to you. I am also available on YouTube. Please subscribe. Thank you so much.